Good morning. You know what this is? This is my parrot. He thinks he's an eagle. His wing feathers have grown out and he decided to fly on top of the wall unit. Yes, come back. What are you doing there? I could see you. You don't have to hide. Hey! Oh, you're in trouble. Oh, you're in trouble. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Come here. Yeah, look at this idiot. Look at this clown. Come on. Next Friday, I'm taking him to the avian vet to have his wings clipped. He will still be able to fly, but he won't be able to gain height. He'll just, like gliding. Yeah. Are you proud of yourself? Come on, baby. Want to come to mama? Come on. Come on. Say hi to everybody. Say good morning. Good morning. Where you going? Where you going? Well, what are you doing there? Hi, peekaboo. Come on. Come on, silly girl. Come on. You a pretty boy? Are you a pretty boy? Tie-tie. Tie-tie. Come on. Let's go take a bath. You want to go take a bath? Do you want to go take a bath? You want to go in the shower? Ah, you thinking about it. What are you doing there? Yeah. Well, that's my morning. Come on, baby boy. Can I get you to step up? Don't touch the lantern. Come on. What'd you say? Are you cussing at me? Say hi, everybody. Hi. Yeah. Hey, what are you doing? Come on. Alrighty, guys. I cannot get him off of there. That's his favorite spot. Have a good Friday. Have a good Friday. Shabbat Shalom. Enjoy your weekend. Have fun. Do some wonderful, crazy things. Enjoy life. If you got snow, enjoy snow. If you've got flowers blooming, enjoy flowers blooming. Just breathe in and breathe out. Life goes on and it's beautiful. Love you guys. My baby and I wish you a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.